This is the demo video on how to filter your project schedule within PlanGo. So once you are in your project schedule, you can go to the upside down triangle icon on the top right hand corner. You will click here and you can filter your schedule by if there are any changes made from the previous update, a date filter, a signed filter, status filter, and then you can also go to your budget and charge filter, meaning it will filter out any activities that have cost input on them. So for the date filter for the 3-week, we will click here, and this will filter out all activities happening within the next 3 weeks, as shown here. You then will clear all filters in order to go to a different filter. And then we can go to in progress activities. This will filter on all activities that are currently in progress, meaning the start date is actualized and the end date is still planned out, as shown here. Then we can also filter on budget and charge. And as you can see here, that if a filter brings up this no work breakdown structure found, means that there are no costs assigned to any of the activities. So once again, you will go here and you will clear all filters, and this will bring you back to your project schedule. And that concludes the different filters within PlanGo.